Today we are going to talk about how to mirror the objects in the view while using pick axis option. First, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Like and share also. The mirror tool reverses the position of selected model elements using a line as the mirror axis. To better understand mirror tool, we create a new project from the architectural project template. Now let's draw a wall. Draw some shapes from the detail line. We mirror these shapes from this wall axis. The Mirror Pick Axis tool is in the Modify panel of the Modify tab. There are two methods of mirroring objects by using Pick Axis option. In the first method, you select the objects and select this tool from the Modify panel or punch its shortcut key M from the keyboard. Now select the axis from where you want to mirror the objects. Objects will be mirrored. The distance and the angle of objects from the selected axis is always to be same. In the second method, you first select the tool. Then select the objects you want to mirror. After selecting objects, press the space bar once. By pressing the space bar, you are giving a message that the selection of objects is complete, and then select the axis from where you want to mirror these objects. Objects will be mirrored. When using the mirror tool, if the copy box in the options bar is checked, elements will be mirrored to the new location and remain in the old location as well. Otherwise, the selected objects will be deleted from the old location while mirroring the new location. Now we discuss the procedure of mirroring the host-based objects with the pick axis option. Draw a wall and place a door on it. The door is host base family on the wall. Try to mirror this door. This door is not mirrored because the host base family requires a host while mirroring. Now we extend this wall. That door will find the host while mirroring. Now, if we mirror this door with the pick axis, then the door will be mirrored because now it has found a host. We have 5 hosts for placing a family: floor, ceiling, roof, wall, and face. We will discuss it with details when we study families chapter. The distances and angle of mirror elements are always to be same. I explain it more clearly. Draw a straight wall. Now draw a second wall on the first wall at 45 degree and place a door on the first wall. Check the angle of this angular wall from this straight wall. It is 135 degree. If we want to mirror this door from this angular wall axis, then we also need a host at 135 degrees opposite of this straight wall. Let's draw a wall at 135 degrees on the other side. Now mirror this door from the angular wall with pick axis option. The door will be mirrored because it has found a host on opposite side at the same distance and angle. You can also verify the angle. On the same way, mirror the door from angular wall using pick axis of straight wall. Verify degrees of these objects that these are same. In today's lecture, we have understood the mirror tool with pick axis option. I hope you have understood this topic. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.